Again, I'm not a mechanic, but I encourage you guys to at least to do some research and see if you can do things yourself.
Shut up! You don't think Ryan is famous?
Cousin Ryan.
You gotta...
Hey, what's up YouTube friends and family? It's Cousin Ryan, and I'm going to change the PCV hose on my 1999 F-150 with a 4.6 V8. There's a crack in the hose that I have here. I've got a check engine code that is P0171, which is lean bank 2. And this is one of the culprits that comes up on the internet. So there is a hole in my hose, so I figure we'll change that first and see if that gets rid of the code. I will put down in the comments or in the description whether or not this solved that problem. But in the meantime, I thought we'd just do a little video of changing this hose. So I bought this on Rock Auto. It was like $23 with shipping and everything. It came to like 30. It's not something you can get at AutoZone, at least not the AutoZones around here. The part's in their computer, but they have no way of getting it. So I think that pretty much covers everything. This actually comes with a new PCV valve. I was looking for the grommet down here in the valve cover and can't find that anywhere except on eBay for like 30 bucks, and I don't think that's a problem, so I'm not going to change that. But anyway, you can see the hose here with the insulation on it, and it kind of winds from here all the way up through to the back of the intake manifold back here. So we'll go ahead and climb up here, see if we can get this off with channel locks. There we go, that pops off pretty easy. There is a cover that's supposed to go over the top here. I don't have that, so we'll just have to pretend like I removed it. That just pulls out of the valve cover. That's the old PCV valve. And again, I want to preface this with, I am not a mechanic, I just do stuff. So there might be a better way of doing all of this, but see, this is all crusty and you can see there's a hole right there. Yeah, hopefully that solves our problem. Now we will back up here and fish this back through here. And again, this is the 4.6. The 5.4 had a slightly different hose, but I've seen people say the 5.4 liter hose, PCV hose, works as well. But I wanted to make sure we had what was exactly right for this truck. And that's on there pretty tight now. And then we just push the PCV valve back into there, and that's it. That's totally it. What was that? That wasn't even 5 minutes. So again, I'm not a mechanic, but I encourage you guys to at least to do some research and see if you can do things yourself. I don't know what that would have cost to go to a mechanic, but if it's broken, you can't make it any worse. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for hanging out with me while I changed the PCV hose on my 1999 F-150 with a 4.6, and I don't know, maybe we'll do some more of these car repair videos in the future. Anyway, thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you later. Hey Rye, you really won a lot of stuff there. What'd that cost?